Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you a kind of a neat old pickup 61 F100 unibody long box. Got patina, you know, some chips, some paint cracked right there. I don't know if it's original paint or old respray, but like I said, you're going to see some chips. Not a ton of rust, but got a little bit here and there. Interior seats probably been recovered at one time. Older carpet on it, no foot feet. Also the e-brake doesn't work currently. Got a V8 in it, not a lot of these head V8s, and we got a little bit of rusting going on right down in that wheel well. Underneath you can see them few spots, a little bit of bubble in there, but for the most part not too bad a shape for a truck this age. There you can see a couple bad spots in the bed back there. Tailgate, same thing, just some use. I don't know, they must have put some mud in here and it cracked. No major dings, no major dents, just some dings, you know, along here you can see some dings, and like I said, it's been resprayed at one time, I would guess. Maybe not. Oh yeah, obvious. So yeah, just an older single stage repaint. This side's not as bad a shape, got a little bit right there. So, but pretty cool truck, not a lot of unibodies around. This one's in the just drive it as is state, and it still looks pretty good. Whoever had it put dual exhaust with headers on it, so it got kind of a neat sound to it. So if you're looking for a unibody, a nice affordable truck. Oh yeah, windshield's also cracked right there. So. Any questions? 605-695-7391.